Okay, this one is an easy one, sure. Uh, we asked to draw the sectional view of AA. So this is our AA. But like I told you, they will give you more than one view of the diagram. Then you'll be asked to either section, draw orthographic projection, or isometric. You understand? So all you just need to do is to link everything together, make reference to each of them, so you can get the actual results. Broken lines, which shows hidden details, can also give you clue on how deep the hollow part of the diagram is too. So let's take note of that. So on a quick one, we are asked to look for the sectional view, which is a right from this place, and this is our diagram. So they ask us to look for the view facing this side. They sectioned it like this. So the sectional view moved down, but I don't think it went straight. Looking at this diagram, look at the cutting plane. The cutting plane went down, moved towards this direction, went down. So that's cut like this, went down, moved towards this direction, then came down. This was how the thing moved. So it's not just one straight pattern. You understand? So it went, instead of going down like this, it went down towards this side. You understand? So for us to get that, like I told you before, you have to draw what you can see first before cutting it, like sectioning it. And this one, why I said this easy is because they have given us how this back looks like. So from the back, this is what we see, the back view. You understand? So when we section it, that back view almost look like this. So let's sketch it out. Back view will be looking like this. So look like this. And then go down like this. Same thing. So this one is a very easy one. You understand? So it will be looking like this. That's the outer part of it. So when you now section it, that's this. When you cut this now, when you cut this out, let's identify, observe. This is the cutting plane passing through the center B. So this is a hollow part. Here will not be affected. This side will be affected. This side will be affected down to where you get to this place. This side will also be affected. You understand? Down to this other side. So in other words, it will be looking like this. Yeah. How do I know how the thickness is? Look at the hollow part I explained now. This hollow part, as you can see it. So I know it by the broken lines, which is like this. So the middle is the hollow part. So went down, passed through this side down. So this whole place are going to be smooth. So looking like this. This box is a hollow structure, has vacuum. You understand? So the thickness is what you are seeing now. This broken line, the broken line, that's the thickness. That side is going to be like rough, but this side, which is the hollow part, will be um smooth. So it will look like this. Go down. You understand? Now this other side, this other side. Remember, it passed through this place. How do I know? See the cutting plane through this side. That's through this place. And here is a rough, a thick structure. So it's going to be rough. So that means that middle is supposed to be somewhere like this. Supposed to be like this. Understand? So this side will now be affected. So making it look like this. This one is very, very easy. So this is how it's going to look. So all we just need to do now is to produce the diagram with the dimension. So let's do it in a quick pace. So I'm projecting down. Now they say the total length from this place to this place is 115 plus 76. That's 191, right? 191. That's the total length. 191. So 191. They immediately, for the sake of time, I will measure. They demarcated it from here to here as 115. So I'll measure 115. Understand? That's the middle. Then balance 8 and 10. Then I draw. After doing this, I can start drawing. Okay, this side balance 8 and 10. Balance 8 and 10 here. Convert this side. Do the same. Understand? Then when I'm done with this, I'm having this side from here to here. That's here to here. Also here to here. This part, this is the front view. This is the side view, the other side of the diagram. You understand? So what we're having here is what we're having on the other side. Now, since this is a circular part, they did not give us the length from here to here, but it's a circular part and it was then provided for us around here, and they said the diameter is 76. As you can see it. So diameter will be 76. I come here measure 76. That's it. Again, this and this in a quick form. Now they said here to here is given to us as 10. So shown here. And what we have here, that's here, is equal to what we have here. Okay, so since it's 10, I'll come here, measure 1 centimeter, measure 1 centimeter here, and do the same. Okay. After that, the span from here to this place, it was given to us as it was given to us as 25 for the inside. That's um the hollow part itself is 25. Then the thickness of the wall is 6 centimeter. That's the thickness of this structure, 6 centimeter. Then the hollow structure itself from here to here is 25. So 25, 12.5 to the right, 12.5 to the left. So the other one is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Okay. Now after doing that, okay, now after doing that, I can now outline. Now after doing down to this side, the depth. Okay, now after getting the thickness of the wall as well as the hollow parts at the top, that's this side or this side. Now we need to get this other part from here to this side. That's here of the diagram. And they told us that is 50, 50. So I'm measuring 50. That's 25 to the right, 25 to the left. Get your center line. Get your center line. Okay. Now with this, to draw it now from this same center, they told us that it went up 76 centimeter to the top, 76 millimeter rather to the top. That's from this middle here, to this side is 76. So that way we can get here to here. You understand? So 76. So I'm measuring 7.6. 7.6. So that's here. Come here. 7.6. You understand? So after doing this, I can now outline my work. Remember what I told you guys about this in our previous video. outline your work so it's going to be visible what you have done so far and what you need to do, things that are left. Mhm. Okay, let's proceed. At this side, at this side of the diagram, same thing can still happen there. Now, this one, they gave you the radius of this curve. They gave you the radius as 5 millimeter. So you need to put that to consideration. So this other part, the length from here to here will be equal to length from here to the other place. So I just need to do is to get the measurement from here to here. I'm seeing 2.8. So I just have to come and measure 2.8. Okay, when you measure the 2.8 at this side, all you have to do is to um connect it, draw it to look like this. So once you are done with this part, the next thing you now need to put to consideration is this other side of the diagram. This part is this side you're seeing. From this view, when you are looking at it from this place, you see, just as you are seeing here now, you also see this part of the diagram. So this part of the diagram, the one that shoot out, is what you are seeing here when you are viewing it from this place. You understand? So that's what we are trying to achieve. So the location of this part is they said it's 50, diameter of 50. That's this circle you are seeing is diameter of 50 from the center. This center it did. That's this center now. Diameter of 50. So I'll come here and measure 50. 25 to the right, 25 to the left. Diameter of 50. When you do that, you connect. Connect. So after connecting, you will After connecting, they said it has a thickness. That's the thickness from this to the body itself. You understand? The projection they said is um 2 centimeter, is 3 centimeter rather. So 3 millimeter rather, not 3 centimeter. So I'm measuring 3 millimeter. When I measure 3 millimeter, I'm having this 3. So what I'm doing now is to bend, bend, and I can now draw this like this. This and for this. Okay, now after doing this part, the next thing you need to do is to get the length from here to here. That's this part that I was telling you about, this side. That's the hollow part of the diagram. And they say the hollow part from here, they told us that it's 24 diameter. So 24 diameter, 12 to the right, 12 to the left, 24. Then this side, I just need to fill this up. This side, this side. So after doing this, what you have to do next is to um outline your work. Outline your work. That's doing this. I explained how you go about this in the first one. So for the sake of time, I'll just fix this. Now at the end of it all, for the sake of time, I've done this before. Your work will look like this. Your work will end up looking like this. You understand? So all you have to do is to put the dimensions, everything, the details. You understand? And you are done. Thanks for watching. See you in our next class. Please, if you don't understand any of this, you can message me. I will explain to you directly.